Pasok na sa Division A ng FIBA Under-18 Women's Asia Cup ang Gilas Pilipinas Women's Under-18 team kasunod ng kanilang 95-64 win kontra Lebanon sa Division B Finals. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Itinanghal na kampiyon ng FIBA Under-18 Women's Asia Cup Division B ang Gilas Pilipinas Women's Under-18 team para umangat sa Division A ng prestiyosong Asian Basketball Tournament. Pinadapa ng Gilas Girls ang Lebanon 95-64 sa championship game nitong linggo sa Futian Sports Park sa Shenzhen, China. Namuno para sa pambansang kupunan si Alyssa Rodriguez na nakapukol ng 6 na 3-point shot at nakapagtala ng kabuang 22 points. Tabla pa sa 20 ang laro sa isang tagpo sa second quarter bago magpakawala ang Gilas Women's ng isang 17-0 run para tuluyang tambakan ng Lebanon. Mula noon, hindi na lumingon pa ang Pilipinas para maipulsa ang kampyonato at ang tiket patungong Division A. Sa panayam ng PDV Sports kay head coach Julie Amos, ikinatuwa niya na kahalintulad ng seniors at under-16 team. Nasa Division A na rin ang Asia Cup ang under-18.
Well, we're just happy that we were able to overcome a different kind of a journey from SIABA to FIBA Asia. We're just happy also for the girls because they were able to showcase their talent as a team, and we were able to make it up to the finals and making it in Division A.
Dagdag pa ni Amos, patunay ang tagumpay na ito sa ilang taong pagpapalakas ng Gilas Women's Program na pinangungunahan ni head coach Patrick Aquino.
Well, it's a big boost and a big motivation. It started with the women's program back 2015, so that was 9 years ago. So, and then last year naman yung under-16. So ngayon, under-18. So meaning to say talagang we are thankful for SPP for always supporting us and then starting it with the grassroots program. I think marami na tayong mga talents na nakikita, and what's nice thing about it is they were given opportunities to compete.
Samantala, nagpaabot naman ng pagbati sinasamahang basketball ng Pilipinas President Al Panlilio at Executive Director Erica D. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.